Hello everyone, welcome to Amazing KLSE YouTube channel. In our channel, we will teach about all kind of techniques to help you grow your investment in stock market. Okay, so let's jump into the topic today. The secret of candlestick pattern. Okay, so today we will talk about hammer and hanging man first. So the hammer looks like this and hanging man looks like this. Okay lah, just kidding, haha. Hammer is actually look like this, and the hanging man is actually look like this. I think both of them look the same lah. Okay. So next video we will talk about shooting star and inverted hammer. So please subscribe the channel and wait for my new updates. Okay. So before we going into our main topic today, please smash the like button and share button, and then comment anything you want me to teach in my next video. Okay, so now we have two graph or two patterns over here. So do you know what is the difference between both of them? Okay, I draw a graph and demonstrate to you. Okay, so this is hammer, and then hanging man will be look like this. So now you can see the hammer will be at the bottom of the graph, go down and then go up, and then hanging man will be on top of the graph, go up and then go down. Easy peasy. Okay, let me show you another example. Here we have two different graphs. Okay, what will happen next? Okay, I give you 3 seconds to think. 3, 2, 1. Okay, amazing. Okay, so the first one will continue go up, and the second one will rebound and go up also. Did you guess correctly? I hope so. Okay, amazing. So okay, I give you another 2 examples. Okay, now you try to think what will happen next. I give you 3 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, amazing. Obviously, he will go down lah. Okay, both of them will go down. Okay, I hope now you understand about this pattern already. Okay, if you want the PDF of these pages, join our Telegram group. Okay, and then I will share the file over there, link in the description. Okay, click the link and then join the group, and then you can ask about the PDF, then I will send inside the Telegram group. Okay, so please help me to smash the like button and share this video to your best friend, whoever trading, and subscribe my channel, and I will teach more about technical analysis in future video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.